Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Today we're going to go over the basic ways to cook eggs for breakfast. We're going to do scrambled eggs, over easy, over medium, over hard, and we're going to poach some eggs as well, which I know can be pretty intimidating for some people. The main thing I want you guys to take away from this video is eggs are really delicate and they need to be treated as such. Much like taking a girl home on the first date, you don't want to just dive in there head first. You gotta light some candles, turn on some smooth jazz, and make her purr like a lion. Let's cook some shit!
With your pan heated over low heat, drop your egg into a tablespoon of butter and cook just until the egg whites set on the bottom. Season with salt and pepper and give your egg a single flip, continuing to cook for about 30 seconds. You want your egg to still be nice and jiggly. This is what your over easy should look like. Same deal for the over medium egg. We're going to drop it into our butter. Let the egg whites cook a little bit longer this time before flipping it. You're going to season it again with salt and pepper, perform a single flip, and continue cooking. You want the outside of the egg yolk to be a little bit firm whenever you poke it with your finger before you remove it from the pan. Medium by definition means about halfway cooked. This is your medium egg. For over hard, get your egg in the pan with the butter and let the egg whites get nice and set before you flip. Season with salt and pepper and then bust the egg yolk with your spatula. Give her a nice flip and continue to cook. We're going to cook the egg yolk all the way through with this egg. Once it's done, we'll cut into it, and it's perfect for an egg sandwich. For Sunnyside up, we're going to get the egg into the pan, and we're going to let the egg whites cook all the way up to the yolk before removing it. This can take a little bit of time, usually around 4 minutes, but there's no flip involved with this egg. Take a look at that sexy beast. Time to beat this egg like we're 14 again. Can you guess what we're making? For scrambled eggs, once again over low heat, get your eggs into the pan, remove it from the heat, and start moving it around and curdling the eggs. You're going to scramble your eggs mostly off of the heat. Scrambled eggs are the most often overcooked eggs. By the time you're done, they should still be light, creamy, buttery, and a little bit wet. The finished product is guaranteed to melt in your mouth. To get ready for our poached eggs, we're going to add a splash of white vinegar into a pot with about 2 inches of water. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, grab a slotted spoon, and stir from the middle, creating a funnel effect before dropping your egg in. This is going to give it the nice ghost-like look that you've come to love. Continue to cook in the water over low heat for a few minutes until the egg whites on the outside are completely set. When you feel the poached egg, it should feel much like an over easy egg. It should be really loose and have a lot of give. Give it a little bit of chive action, cut into it, and watch it pour out.
Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope everyone feels a little bit more comfortable cooking eggs. I know it can be intimidating, especially the poached eggs, but with a little bit of practice, I know you can do it too. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future videos, and we'll see you next time.